We got really scared. We were like, what the They did not come for money because they claim that they are from money. You are lying to get inside the house. We are not your friends. We don't know you. So why are you saying we are your friends? Open the door. When that thing happened at night, we got really scared. We were like, what the because those men were out there for like 5 to 7 minutes and we didn't even know there were like two men. We just knew that there was one guy, and one guy was like standing aside. He was hiding or whatever the he was doing. And these men, they were not scared. They did not come for money because they claim that they are from money. So it's very scary because what the do you want at 3:30 a.m.? Secondly, you don't want an autograph because you are lying to get inside the house. We are not your friends. We don't know you. So why are you saying we are your friends? Open the door. Why are you saying that? Why do you want to get inside the house? What if somebody would have opened the door? Then what would they have done? Firstly. Secondly, and then the next day you wake up and you see all these threads on Reddit and you're like, oh my god. Like you just can never, as a girl, you can never be right. You always have to be wrong. You can never ever be right. Anything happens to you, it's your fault. And then there's a made up story of how it's, my sister's ex, blah 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 blah. Why would girls or any girl in general be scared of her ex?
Yeah.
Or even if it's a girl's ex, why is that man coming at 3:30 a.m.? Like, it was not, but my point is कि what is this stupidity and like just victim blaming कि हाँ ये तो लड़कियाँ ऐसी हैं, we know them, we know her whole family, ये लोग तो ऐसे ही थे लखनऊ में. How does this make any sense? Two men coming to our door at 3:30 a.m. Oh ये लड़कियाँ ऐसी हैं, ये लोग ऐसी हैं, छोटे कपड़े पहनती हैं, ये लोग ऐसे ही हैं. Bro, it's 2025. I hated that people, society, they think that girls who don't come under societal norms and who don't have like a father figure, who don't come from a respectable family or who are independent, earning their own shit, these girls are तो always wrong. Like, why? मतलब ये लड़कियाँ गलत हैं ही, इनका कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. ये गंदे तरीके से पैसे कमाती हैं and they're not respectable and we should not support them. क्या बकवास है यार ये. I was not, I would say I was not surprised, expected from society. So ठीक है यार, मतलब चलता रहेगा. I don't give a because at the end of the day it shows their mentality and that this world has a long way to go. And we need to start respecting women and their stories, because anytime even like a woman comes out with her story of Me Too, they're like, oh तब क्यों नहीं बोला? नहीं बोला यार, तब नहीं मतलब मन था उसका, नहीं हो पाया. कितनी हिम्मत लगती है ये सब चीज़ें बोलने में. ऐसे ही थोड़ी ना कोई भी कुछ भी बोल सकता है. कितनी हिम्मत लगती है. नहीं गए पुलिस के पास, नहीं कर पाती पुलिस कुछ. हो गया क्या होता, कौन लॉयर के पास जाए, इतना ड्रामा फेस करे, नहीं हो पाता है. बट विक्टिम ब्लेम करना है. मैं बोल रही हूँ 10 साल के बाद भी बोल रही है ना, बोलने दो ना उसको अपनी स्टोरी. क्यों बोल रही हो, झूठ बोल रही है. It's just so irritating.
This is exactly why she didn't say it 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Because she knew she would be blamed. And that is the entire problem. You just said one line that people say that you guys don't come from a respectable family because your dad left. I think kudos to you guys and to your mom especially. And I feel you all should be respected 10 times more to grow up in a world without a father figure and without a man, because we live in a very, very male dominant society. So these things just are very triggering to hear. But I just wish we soon reach that level where we are in a world where we don't even need to have these conversations anymore. But did you and Urfi get... Asfi was also there with you guys?
Asfi was also there.
Did you guys get scared, and did the police help you guys?
Yeah, I think the best part, as I said, living in Bombay, the best part is it's so safe here. The police helped us. They checked the CCTV footage at night only, and then by the second, third day, those men were out of the building. So I feel like, again, living in Bombay is so good that there are people who will help you. The police will comply with you. The police will help you, and there'll be no victim blaming or anything. They just it was very good. Like, it was so smooth. I've never seen such smoothness. Having been dealt with police and stuff, you know, like a lot of courts in Lucknow. So I feel like this was very fast and quick. Even the building, they got them out in just like 2 days. So the men are not living there anymore. So that was very quick. I thought, like, in my head, I was like, they'll give them a notice and after 2-3 months, they'll have to leave. But they just went out in like 2 days. So it was very good. I was very surprised, which is very sad that, oh, women are supported here.
Yeah, yeah, wow.